So we're going to change out the first stage unit in one of the AMSs. So number 3 here has been giving me problems. So the easiest thing to do is you put your fingers right here, push down, and pull out the Bowden tube, and then disconnect the cable off the back, and now it's ready to come out. So using a 2mm hex key or wrench, or what you want to call this, you pull out these 2 screws right here. Like so. Set those to the side, and then we're going to gently lift this up. It's going to hit right there. You can push it down and get past it, and then if you tip it like this, you don't disconnect these 2 cables right there. But we're going to need to get down in there, so we're going to disconnect the cables. So we're changing out number 3 here, and so you need 1.5 millimeters now. And there's 2 screws right here. And 2 screws right there on both sides of that Bowden. And these are fun to get into. Oh, come on. There we go. Then we got to disconnect the right cable. Off of here. I'm going to disconnect the bottom from that end. We can pull on our cables here and see which one's which. And it looks like it's this one here. Yep. So it has a clip that's wrapping around. So let's get it out from underneath that clip. There's 2 little pieces here. There. And we should be able to pull this out now. Just like that. Now we want to save our Bowden. So we're going to disconnect our Bowden off the bottom here. If we can. There we go. So there's that unit. So now we take our Bowden, put it back on. Just like so. And then we want to feed our Bowden through. Feed our wire through. Kind of get it setting in place. There we go. There we go. Didn't have it locked in all the way. So that one's drawn up tight. Okay, then we reconnect. Let's get our cable run in here, or around the Bowden like that. Let's reconnect our Bowden. Reconnect our 2 cables in the back here, and slowly tip this down. And it gets to this point, it's going to hit. So then push down on it, and it'll allow it to pass. Then we drop in these 2 screws here. Now, I had some old desiccant in here, so we're going to put that's done. So everything's reconnected. I loaded the spool in. So let's heat it up and load some filament. And there it goes.